So Florida is a no-fault state, meaning that you can file for divorce for whatever reason. You don't need to say that my spouse cheated on me, there was infidelity, and that sort of thing. If you want a divorce, you can file it, and a court is not going to require you to stay together, that's for sure. But there is certain times that infidelity does come into play, and usually and most commonly it would happen if one of the spouses is claiming a dissipation of assets. What that means is one spouse is claiming a higher equitable distribution proportion, meaning that when the court divides the property between the parties, one of the spouses is going to claim more, saying that, look, this spouse was cheating on me and he was using some of the marital funds to further this infidelity and affair or whatever it may be, and as a result I'm entitled to more. That's when, generally speaking, infidelity would come in. Of course, you can always bring it up to make the other spouse look bad, but at the end of the day it doesn't matter, because you will get divorced no matter what, because the court is not going to require you to stay together. If there is infidelity, make sure that you bring it up if there is assets and the other party used those assets to further the infidelity or the affair. So if you have any questions regarding family law or even civil law, any type of question regarding the law in Florida, please let us know. We're here to help you. Have an awesome day.